I have of late spent a fair amount of time thinking about sarcopenia. No, it is not a sexual dysfunction. Get your mind out of the gutter. I'm Aaron Freeman, an excitable ape with another dose of science-y optimism. Sarcopenia is the loss of muscle mass that is an inevitable party favor of achieving antiquity. Measuring muscle mass is a tricky business even if you spend way the heck too much time in the gym. Not long ago, Primatologist Dr. Emery Thompson gave a talk for the Chicago Council on Science and Technology, of which I am the proud artist-in-residence. Prior to her C2ST presentation, she and I chatted about muscle mass in humans and chimpanzees. Many of my gym rat pals pop creatine supplements. And when you talk about the energetic state, I think you were talking about creatinine.
If you were worried about muscle loss, let's say you had, if you had cancer or something like that, you might go to a doctor and have a 24-hour creatinine test. So basically, the gold standard for assessing muscle mass in human clinical settings is to collect all of your urine for 24 hours and assess creatinine. Creatinine is the metabolite of creatine in your muscles. So each little muscle cell has the creatine. It kind of evaporates at a very steady rate. And your doctor would take 24 hours worth of urine and assess that. We can't do that. So we collect samples as we can get them. And we can assess basically how dilute a urine sample is and compare the amount of creatinine to the diluteness of the urine. And the more muscular an animal is, the higher the ratio of creatinine. It's really changed what we can do. It's been a limitation for these kinds of studies where you want to know, how does energetic condition affect things like reproduction and competitive success and all that stuff. And if you can't weigh your animals, you're guessing. And a lot of people have done that. A lot of people have made visual estimations. She's looking fat today. On a 1 to 5 scale, how fat is this animal? That's pretty difficult to rely on. So we have the creatinine measure, and then we have a measure of insulin production that we can get from urine, which tells us about how many more calories are they consuming than they're expending. So with those two in hand, we're getting a better picture of how well individual animals are doing.
When I sent you the email, I said, after watching you on YouTube, I said, "Doc, you rock." And let me just say, after sitting here talking to you for a while, Doc, you rock even more. I'm so grateful, Dr. Emery Thompson. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. I enjoyed meeting you.
Thank you immensely much for watching, beloved sibling. You make a brother feel strong. I make new science-y optimistic videos every Monday through Friday. If you enjoyed this one, please like, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and share with someone you know who might themselves enjoy some science-y optimism. I also hope you'll visit c2st.org and check out the latest from the Chicago Council on Science and Technology. I guarantee you will find something to tickle your intellectual fancy, because science is for everyone. I am Aaron Freeman. I am an excitable ape, and I hope your brain muscles bulge as you continue to science the day.